Now, why is this vulnerability bad and particularly bad? If you have been around, like myself, for a few years, Log4j or Log4Shell was a similar vulnerability that is called a remote code execution. That fundamentally means that an attacker can trigger the vulnerability remotely with just one string. And if you can see here why this particular vulnerability is bad, you have multiple methods to expose and direct, but fundamentally attackers are pointing a string at a vulnerable server. That deserialization creates a shell or potentially access to a shell. That shell enables you to trigger commands at a privileged role. And then you can from there to either lateral movement, trying to detect keys for specific systems. Usually container in cloud resource system have sometimes keys deployed in there. If you don't have a particular configuration deployed, or if your server is not clean, you might have credentials stored as environment variable. You might have a lot of elements into those containers, but potentially that is the spearhead for an attacker to move laterally or discover more things.